Welcome! In this lesson, we're looking at common errors with infinitives and gerunds. You'll learn when to use ing forms instead of to verbs and how to sound more natural in English. After prepositions like without or instead of, always use the ing form, not the infinitive. Say without speaking, not without to speak. Some adjectives and verbs are followed by prepositions, and then a gerund. Capable of doing, fond of talking, insist on going, these are natural English forms. Certain verbs are always followed by the ing form, avoid, enjoy, finish, go on, mind. So, say avoid making mistakes, not avoid to make mistakes. Some expressions like it's no use, look forward to, or have difficulty in are followed by a gerund. Learn these patterns and you'll sound more fluent. Now let's talk about bare infinitives, infinitives used without to. They often come after modal verbs like can, should, or must, and also after verbs like let and make. After modal verbs, like can, must, should, might, never use to. Just the base form. Say he can swim, not he can to swim. After let and make, also skip the to. Say lets me play and made him leave. Only use the base form here, no to. The verb help is flexible. You can say help me carry or help me to carry, both are fine. But stay consistent and don't mix it up with verbs like make or let. Let's review with a quiz. Fill in the blanks with the correct verb form. She can sing well. We must leave now. They made him apologize. He helped me move the sofa. Let her finish her work. All these use the bare infinitive, no to. Some expressions in English are always followed by the ing form. These include, it's no use, it's worth, can't help, feel like, and there's no. You should never use to after these. Use the gerund after these patterns. Say it's no use waiting walk, there's no denying it. The to form is incorrect here. These expressions also need ing. Can't help laughing means you couldn't control it. Feel like going out is a casual way to say you want to do something. We use ing after it's worth and sometimes after need. Say it's worth trying and the house needs painting. These forms are common and sound natural. Let's test what you've learned. Fill in the blanks. I can't help laughing. There's no denying the truth. Do you feel like going out? It's worth trying again. The chair needs fixing. All of these use ing forms, not infinitives. Thank you. Prepared by K. Rajendra Prasad.